Hello everyone, welcome to Simplified Triple C Quick Tips video. I am Atul Prakash Singh and in this video we are going to take a look of run commands in Windows operating system. So let's get started. Alright, so what are run commands? Run commands have a very long history with Windows operating system. It was first introduced in Windows 95 which was released in 1995. From then, run commands are included in each and every release of Windows up to Windows 10, which is the recent edition of Windows. Run commands can be used to open a file, folder, application, or URL directly if we know the path of it. It works more or less like a single line command line interface. It means we got some defined words or criteria. If we type them in run dialog box and hit enter, we can directly open the specified target. We can open the run dialog box by pressing window key plus R. Let's see what it all does mean. For example, if I have to open Notepad in Windows 10, what I have to do, I have to go to Start, click on All Programs and find for Windows Accessories. And within Windows Accessories, click on Notepad icon and the Notepad will be open for us. Quite a long process. And this is the same for all the applications in Windows. And also if we want to open some file or folder, so what we have to do, we have to go to File Explorer by clicking File Explorer icon or by going into My Computer or by pressing window key plus E. And then go to your drive and then your folder and then the file. So this is the way how you can open the files. But by run commands, this works become quite easy. If you know the run commands of opening applications or opening files, you can do it more easily. For example, we can open our folders and files using run commands. For example, if I have to open my C drive, what I have to do, I have to open run dialog box by pressing window key plus R and then type the drive name, colon and backslash and hit enter. What it will do, it will open C drive for us. What if I want to open a folder within my drive? For example, I got a drive named E, so I will type the name of drive and I got a folder named Knowledge Hut within this drive. So what I will do, I will type Knowledge Hut in run dialog box and hit enter. What it will do, it will open the Knowledge Hut folder for us. We do also have run commands for our Windows accessories like the Notepad we have said earlier and internet browsers. We can open Explorer by default, which is bundled with Windows, Chrome, Firefox, or we can directly open some URL also with run dialog box. Let's see it. So as we have seen earlier, if I have to open I have to open Notepad on Windows, what I'll do, I will type Notepad in run dialog box and hit enter. It will open Notepad for me. If I have to open Paint, there are two commands to open Paint. The first is pbrush. It will open Paint for us, and the second command to open Paint is MS Paint. It will also open Paint for us. Same way, if we want to open WordPad, the rich text editor of Windows for us, what we will do, we can type write and hit enter. It will open WordPad for us, and we can also open WordPad by typing WordPad only. See, we have opened WordPad here. So, Notepad, Write and WordPad for WordPad, MS Paint and pbrush for Paint. One more, we can open Calculator by just typing CALC, calc in run dialog box. You see, actually I got two monitors set up here, so Calculator have opened on my second monitor. Let's see again. See, CALC, and it has opened Calculator. in Windows. So this is how we can open accessories. If I want to open some website, so what I can do, I can simply open Run dialog box and type the URL of website. For example, I have a website named www.talenttuner.com. As I hit enter, what it will do, it will open my default browser. In my case, which is Chrome. It can differ in some machines, and it will go to that website. If I want to open some browser, for example Internet Explorer, the command is I explore. It will open Internet Explorer for us. You can see. Okay, if you have Chrome or Firefox installed in your machine, what you can do, you can simply type Chrome for Google Chrome. I have Google Chrome installed in my machine, so it will open for me. And if you have Firefox installed in your machine, you can type Firefox. I do not have Firefox in my machine, so this command might not work on my machine. One more thing, if you want to open some URL or web page in browser, you do not have to always prefix http:// before the URL. You can simply type the URL also. For example, I type www.proktc.com and hit enter. It will go to the proktc.com. We do also have run commands to open MS Office applications. For example, if I have to open MS Word, I can just open it by typing WinWord. Let's see it in action. I have to open MS Word. What I will do, I will just type WINWIORT in Run dialog box and hit enter. What it will do, it will open Word for me. If I have to open other applications like Excel or PowerPoint or Access or OneNote, I can type their command also. For example, I have typed Excel and it will open Excel for me. If I have to open OneNote, I can type OneNote there in Run dialog box and hit enter. It will open OneNote for me. In same way, we can open PowerPoint and MS Access also. We do also have run commands to open system settings like Control Panel, Device Manager, Math Input Panel, Magnifier, Computer Management, on-screen keyboard also. Let's see them also in action. I have to open Control Panel in Windows. What I can do, I can simply type Control in Run dialog box and hit enter. It will open Control Panel for me. What if I want to open Desktop personalization window in Windows? I can simply type Control and then Desktop and hit enter. Control space Desktop. What it will do, it will open Desktop personalization and background options for us. I can also open on-screen keyboard by simply typing OSK and hit enter. What it will do, it will open on-screen keyboard for us. If I have to open magnifier, what I can do, I can simply type magnify and hit enter. And it will open, the magnifier for us. As we move on the screen, it will show us the magnified options. Let's close it. If I have to open Windows Narrator, I can simply type narrator. It will open Windows Narrator.
Starting narrator. Start button. Type here to search button.
See.
Task view button.
Let's close
Exiting
it.
narrator.
And see more. We can open our command prompt by just typing CMD and hitting enter. It will open the command prompt for us. We can open our math input panel by simply typing MIP. It will open math input panel for us. I can open my computer management by simply typing compmgmt.msc, compmgmt.msc, hit enter. It will open computer management for us. See, computer management. If I want to open Windows address book, we can type WAB and hit enter. It will open Windows address book. I do not have any contacts in my Windows address book as for now. I can open device manager by simply typing dabmgmt.msc, dabmgmt.msc, hit enter. Sorry, dabmgmt instead of msmt.msc. It will open the device manager where we can find all the devices connected to our computer. So that's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, you can download the simplified CCC app from Google Play Store. Thanks for watching.